might never be a knight in shining armor. I might never be the one to take home to mother.
Ituin mo si Coach Sarah, sige.
And I might never be the one who brings the flowers, but I can be the one tonight. I might never be the hands you put your heart in, or the arms that hold you anytime you want them. But that don't mean that we can live in the moment, 'cause I can be the one you love from time to time. When I first saw you from across the room, I could tell that you were curious. Oh yeah, girl, I hope you're so looking forward, 'cause I'm not good at making promises. But if you like causing trouble up in hotel rooms, and if you like having secret little rendezvous, if you like to do the things you know that we shouldn't do, baby, I'm perfect. Baby, I'm perfect for you. And if you like midnight driving with the windows down, like all the places we can even pronounce, if you like to do whatever you've been dreaming about, baby, I'm perfect. Baby, I'm perfect. Right now.
Thank you very much, Mike and Nico! Grabe, pinakilig niyo ang mga girls sa studio. Ayan, pakinggan muna natin ang masasabi ni Coach Leia.
Oh, that was fun.
Oh, you like that?
It's been a while since kinantahan ako ng ganyang kagwapo. It's been a while.
Natakot ako, baka kantahan si Bamboo mabugbog.
That's what I thought as well. Medyo kinabahan nga ako.
Oo eh, kinabahan din ako. Gusto ko sabihin.
Don't worry, it's fine.
Ganun ako eh.
Base sa pagkanta, sa performance, I'm gonna go with Mike for this one.
Yeah. At ulitin ko lang, maraming salamat na hindi kayo lumapit sa akin. With the whole act, sinong pa rin who delivered pa rin, I think it'd be Mike pa rin. Thanks, ma'am.
Coach Sarah.
Kahit na pareho kayong parang kasado na, planado na talaga na, oy, meron tayong act na gagawin na konti, may gimmick tayo ng konti. Itong artist na to, parang hindi naman niya napabayaan yung singing niya. Si Mike yun.
Ngayon naman, papakinggan natin ang inyong coach. Sino kaya ang dadali niya sa knockout round sa inyong dalawa?
Congratulations to the two of you kasi parang mga relax lang itong mga boys kong ito. I am particularly impressed by Miko because when he started, hindi ko halos marinig yung boses niya pag kumakanta siya. Talagang ang laki ng improvement ni Miko. Miko, I want you to know, I am so proud of you. Si Mike naman, since day one, wala akong negatibong mapuna. Although I love the two of you, I pick Mike.
Congratulations, Mike! Ikaw ang napili ni Coach na mag-move on sa ating knockout round. Miko is up for steal, coaches!
Pahag, You're good, anak. You're very good.
Gusto ko lang po mag-thank you sa inyo dahil hindi po kayo umikot, hindi ko po mararanasan magkaroon ng bagong experiences sa buhay. It's okay. It's okay. Mike, kahit anong mangyari, susuportahan kita.